Not yet. Nope, not yet. Not yet. She's ready. She's ready. Tarnation. Every time.
Well, I know that face too well. What'd you do, baby?
I didn't do nothing. I just got on the mower to try to just cut grass like normal folk do. Pulled PTO. You know, the sound whenever the spindles are all wore out and the blades are... I'm a very important person around here, honey. I gotta get stuff done, you know?
I know you do, honey, but hey, Mr. VIP, if you wouldn't let the grass grow 4 feet tall, maybe it won't be so bad.
Listen, if I cut grass like everybody else once a week, like the neighbor would just go bankrupt because I keep taking his gas to cut the grass. I'm just trying to be neighborly, okay? I cut it once every month and he uses less gas, so.
Well, way to be a good citizen and a neighbor, you know. 8 feet tall with looking like a jungle ain't so bad after all.
Yes, ma'am. I don't know what to say.
Well, hey, honey, you remember you had me order those parts about 6 months ago.
Yeah, I know, but hey, listen. I just got stopped, like, she wants to go to the creek every day. You know what I mean? Go fishing with the dog every day. So, what's a man supposed to do? Any idea where said spindles are? Because it's been quite a while. I don't know where they're at. I don't remember seeing them.
No way, that was 6 months ago. I have no clue.
Okay, let's find them.
You coming to look too? Come on, let's go see where they're at. Maybe you go sniff them out. You found him?
Yeah, he's in the bathroom. I think I was mid-emergency whenever I was starting to put these things away, so that's the last place I had them.
Yeah, I think you got me get everything.
I think you got the whole kit, didn't you? Blades, belts, pulleys.
I think all but the tune-up.
Shoot. This should be good if these are right size spindles. Should be like brand new. Except for all the smoke and noises and stuff it's making. Kind of looks like her, Mama.
I hope so. I've had the same numbers and everything. You know me on the internet. Don't work out so well.
I'm going to say good job this time, sweet Mama. Good job.
You ain't got to return them.
Yeah, UPS guys want to show up and like, where's all the returns at? Because you always order the wrong stuff. And I'm like, there ain't no returns, sucker. We got it right this time. All right, well, let me knock this deck out of here as dangerously as I can, I guess. And a pretty way of doing it.
Are you comfy, love?
Oh, I think I am. Well,
you were.
Well. All right. About had a fat attack there. Why is it so hard for me to do everything?
What exactly are you trying to do? Take out the clips?
I got clips and I gotta get the pliers.
Oh yeah, new pliers.
Like pulling a tooth. What do you figure that fellas are looking at?
Probably your Mopar.
Oh no.
Just kidding. Probably looking at the little fishies. Waiting for the ice cream truck to come through.
He ain't even pedaling, but he's going.
I know, that's what
Now
I
he's
was
pedaling. Newfangled equipment. Oh yeah. Shoot. This is easy. It's not easy.
You're supposed to wait till you're done, honey. Oh!
Well, let me just retract my statement. With that,
A little bit of right on it.
let me catch my breath. Got her. Yep. Shoot.
You better Grace and put some lubricant.
Took that off here for nothing.
It's all dry and weird.
That didn't even need to come off of there, honey. That did. That's off of there. And right up here. I think this needs to come off of here.
Now, you putting that back on when you're done?
Yes, ma'am.
You sure? Because the push bar's still back there too.
Oh, yeah. All right, then.
We decided to delete that.
Oh, yeah. Look what we can do.
But not too shabby for the age.
No, old belt's a little, you know, looking like kind of,
Yeah, I got another 5 years on it.
you know, like broke, kind of. What's the chances I'll remember how this belt goes after I rip them all off of here?
Well, let me take a picture first.
Yeah, that a girl. It's too hard for me. Maybe this way. Okay. All right then. Just make that hard for me. It's okay.
Was that the belt we just bought? Or
Did
was
we
that-
just buy that?
We bought a belt. I don't know if it was down here or up your mom's.
Listen, it's going to have to pass a tough test when it comes down here around me, okay?
No kidding.
Yep. Yes, ma'am. Did that. Well. Ooh, fell plumb apart, Mama. That's sad and a little overdue.
So what you're saying is that it flew up and hit one of us eventually?
It could have took a face off. This in lower back agitation. I can feel it.
We're pulling.
Okay. That's hot. Ooh, broke that off. Broke that off. Oh, yeah.
Honey.
Every single one of them. That doesn't confront me. You're junk anyway. Well.
Hustle House Performance Automotive, here we come.
All right then.
I don't remember the last time you had to use that thing for changing a spindle.
Well, desperate times call for desperate measures, sweet mama. Ooh, look at that. There's the problem we were facing, sweet mama.
What's that?
See, that thing was just spinning right there on the blade because the thing that's supposed to not let it do that, it's letting it do it, you know? Mm-hmm. So, that's the problem I was looking at. If you guys been around our videos at all, probably figured out we are probably some of the cheapest mechanics that ever lived. These spindles they're different. Pretty sure this is the best deal we could find online for this whole setup. We're working on a GT5000 Craftsman mower, and the spindle number that we come up with is a 285-108 Sten's number. So, if it ain't right, shoot me.
You find out the price, you'll want them to shoot you. It's
Yeah.
$180.
What?
It's $180 for
Gone.
3 spindles, 3 blades, the belts,
I mean,
and the pulleys. I think it's worth it.
okay. Am I doing this right, honey?
Looks like it.
Well, probably would be if I took all the bolts out first.
This is a little bit of an offset.
That old Craftsman's a pretty good mower. Smokes like a diesel, but it's gas, but it still runs pretty good. It just needs about a pint of oil in every time you run it. Other than that, she's cherry.
And I think we're supposed to put tune-up on it, ain't we?
Well, it's smoking like it does. I don't know how much we're going to put in it, you know. I was kind of surprised to hear how much we spent for these, but I mean, nothing's cheap anymore.
It was also on a site that I didn't know if I should trust or not.
Yeah. Well,
Well, I thought you were going to try that oil thing in the front. The little black, whatever it was.
you know what they say about a mower to smoke. Sometimes that the baffle, valve cover, vent, hose, suction thing, sometimes it's busted or clogged. Sometimes there's a filter in there that plugs up and it'll make it smoke. That vent hose is split. So I'm probably going to black tape it up and see if we'll give it a little more crankshaft evac, you know, and maybe seal the rings to keep it from smoking as much. It's a pipe dream wishful thinking there, but we'll try it anyhow. Remember, guys, you don't really have to succeed. All you have to do is say, I tried, you know.
Oh, honey, it looks like you're giving her fresh bling bling.
Shoot. This thing's going to love me.
Bet she'd love you even more every time you cut the grass. You make sure the cut grass is off the deck.
Yeah. Probably appreciate if I quit running over cement blocks and stuff like that too. But hey, get what you get around here.
You might have to swipe one off the other ones. See if it still works.
I ain't afraid to borrow stuff. You know what I mean?
Without giving it back, sorry.
Y'all know we're just kidding about like stealing gas and stuff, right?
Don't tell them that.
We're just having fun. We buy our own gas, trust me.
My husband makes
Do we?
hers.
Except that one time, right? No, we always buy our own gas.
My husband makes his own gas. It's purified. Natural. Safe for the environment.
That's right. Yeah. Look what we can do.
I've been waiting for this moment almost 6 months ago.
Good things come to those who wait, honey. I waited for you, okay? I want it to be more special, so I waited.
Yeah, the bolt material. Do you remember the clamps you like did on the back of that one vehicle and broke them off? Had to get your own bolts again?
Hey,
A little bit too much torque.
you got past the tough test with me, you know what I mean? If you can't take 3,000 foot-pounds, then you're not the quarter-inch bolt I thought you were. I think that went like that, right? That's the way I'm gonna do it.
Didn't you say one of those was in bad shape?
I don't recall that.
Something over there was cracked or something. Remember I said it was gonna fly off and hit us and you said yeah? Is that what you're talking about?
Well, lucky for us, anything that's super dangerous, I forget it like 2 seconds after I see it, so. I don't remember, honey. There could be something very, very life-threatening here, and I just can't, I can't put my finger on it. Okay. I need a little chubby feller. One there like that. So we'll that one up on there. Shoot. Look what we can do, honey. Look how shiny that is.
Oh yeah. He says you can't have silver and gold in the garage.
That's right. Ooh. Give me a hard time. I'll tell you right now. Look at all this hardware in here. Should have just left this one alone.
Nah, then you'd have one that wasn't changing it.
Well, I don't care if I can't see from home, so what?
You'd get up in the middle of the night wanting to change it.
Well, let's just move to this one. What do you think?
No need to lose any time.
Get that off of there. 228. Whoa, 239. Which is which here? I reckon that goes like that. That's the way that's supposed to work. What am I going to do with this thing now?
Well, you're already halfway started, ain't you?
Yeah, I got her halfway. Half the stuff's done.
Oh, there ain't nothing.
There ain't no way of getting a hold of the ding dang thing.
Ding dang.
Pry bar and
I better do dangerous stuff. Well, rookie mistake, everybody. The last 20 minutes we just filmed with no audio whatsoever. So I don't know what it's going to look like, but you tell me. You just watched it. I ain't seen it yet, so I don't know if we want to add some cool music to it or if we're just going to make it real fast.
Transfer, skip over, fast forward, something.
Something.
I usually check. My bad. Forget a lip reading though. It's still there.
Yeah, we should just do sign language every time that we're doing it in case the audio drops out again. Yeah. Sorry guys, we'll see you here in a couple minutes. Well, we're back guys. Another day, another debacle. We did get our mics charged up however, and hopefully you can hear us now. I guess where we left off was it's time to fire this thing up and pull the PTO button and see how many blades and belts fly across the garage floor. What's our chances for success, honey? 1 to 10. How confident are you?
Well, I watched you tighten up all those bolts with a nice heavy-duty torque, so I'm going to say 9.5.
9.5. Why are you standing up on the chair? Afraid your feet getting chopped off or what?
I didn't. There's another 5%, honey. I just. Yeah.
All right then. Yeah, just like a Texas tornado, wasn't it, girly?
Are you done filling around down in there?
I don't know what I'm feeling. I don't know where to drain the oil at. I really don't. I have to go make it hard on everybody, you know? I guess I'll take that out and probably inside the motor fly part because that's probably in a drain plug, but I guess we'll find out.
It's a good start. It's a good start. What did you do?
Well, I was catching the stuff, and the stuff's going everywhere instead. All over our brand new belt. Ain't this wonderful?
I'm telling Chevelle.
Yes.
Right now. Wow, that looks really, really dark, honey. It's definitely needed. What, do we have a hole in the ball? Bolt?
Nah, it's doing all kind of stuff.
Aww.
Can't stop me now.
Maybe we should like clean that up.
Yeah, before Chevelle comes in here, we're going to have to clean that up because she's going to throw a fit.
At least it was the right bolt, right?
Oh, well, let's hope. Man, every time.
Try to show a little love and get disrespected instead.
Yeah, preventive maintenance. Never again. That was tight.
Beans. See, look, that frame's right there.
Yeah. Well.
That wasn't that much of a problem like I thought.
Well, no.
But look.
No, that's pretty pleasant, actually. Can live with that. Here she comes.
No.
I knew it.
What's the matter, girl?
Did you hear it hit the floor?
What's the matter, girlie?
No.
You smell something?
No. No. No what? Sorry. I just took the filter off and it came and it went everywhere. Look, you pull the plug out and there's no place for it to go. I put the thing there and it just... Never mind that. I'm sorry. I'll clean it up.
What happened, huh? What happened? She's tired of you.
She's like, I'm not even standing here looking at that.
What are you doing, honey? Putting the finest in there?
Well, you know.
I don't even know why I ask.
It's the credit card that they ain't come and chopped up for us yet, so, I mean.
That's because I hate it.
We use what they got, you know what I'm saying? Hey, you gotta be environmentally aware these days, you know? Like, if your mower's a Cheechin, you can't be, yeah, you can't just be blowing black smoke all over the place. You got to put clean oil in so you get clean smoke blowing everywhere. You know what I mean?
Way to be friendly with the environment.
Everybody's got to wake up these days.
Oh yeah. Now what you doing?
Well, I'm down here at the scene of the crime trying to cover up my mistakes. Look at that brand new belt. Just soaked with oil.
There you go.
That's really going to be awesome. You know? Mm-hmm. This pulley here is full of oil. Why? Why is that thing like...
Well,
Is there a hose or something on it maybe? You know, like some other vehicles?
Was that your shoe? Well, hey, baby. Maybe it won't squeak this time.
Yeah.
It'll be quiet. Throw a little soap or deodorant in here. Try some oil. Maybe it's even better.
Thanks for positivity, Mama.
That's all I can come up with.
I'm sure the oily belt will be just fine.
It will. Besides, if it still smokes, it was smoking before, babe. Right?
Just because she smoked don't mean she broke. Look how left down she is from what I've done.
Clean it up.
Stay there. It's okay. See? Who always fixes it, huh? Who always fixes it? Me? Not you.
She's like, I don't want to hear
I
it.
don't know why you got to be mad.
She still throws a tood. Is that your way of power washing?
Got to give her a pro fogger, you know? Try to dry his belt out a little bit.
No pressure washer's ever hurt nobody.
Tell me how it's done. I'll tell you.
Well, that looks lovely.
Oh, oops.
What'd you do?
I just wiped the model, type, and serial number. All for the engine tag.
Aw, that's been there so long. I liked it.
Yeah.
My little tag under the hood's there.
Kind of hard to get parts for it without them numbers, you know? That's a V-twin power plant right there.
That's what I said.
Look at that.
She got the beans.
Yep.
Perfect.
Just enough overfilled to fill the oil filter. I can't think of anything else that I want to do, you know? Could put an air filter on it, but
Ain't got one.
I ain't got one. Could probably dry that belt a little better, but don't want to. I'd say we just get out there and try to cut down some of them bushes.
Yeah, I ain't got nothing else to say.
Right then.
Well, I was kind of on foot, honey, and didn't have a G-ride like you, but what'd you do now?
I suppose they're right when they say you can have too much fun. I didn't know what it meant until now. I think we just popped the drive belt like out of place or something. Probably from all that oil that was supposed to go in the pan that went all over the belts and pulleys. Probably just KY'd it right off of there, you know. Well, this would be the drive belt that just flew off and almost left me pushing it back into the garage. I don't see any sense in trying to put that one back on. She's about ready to break plumb in half. And I only got another one. So, we're pretty much out of time this week, guys. All this work and I didn't get the grass cut. Just goes to show you, anytime you consider preventive maintenance, don't do it. Don't do it.
At least you got 2 swipes in, right?
I guess that's the story with these old mowers, you know, you can try to keep them going and band-aid them together and whatnot, but when it comes to preventive maintenance, don't even bother, because the minute you try to do something right, it'll treat you wrong. So, pro tip of the day, the blacker the oil, the better in this old junk. What do you think, honey? We got some Oreos at home, or do I gotta stop with my dirty hands and go in and get some?
We can stop and I'll run in for you.
All right then. Well, there you have it, guys. You just watched this old boy get his butt kicked by a Craftsman GT5000. I ain't proud to say it. My man pride is busted, but what do you want to do? You know what I mean? We worked on it, and the week's over, and I got no money. You know?
She drug you through the dirt.
She drugged me through the dirt.
Is that $1?
Embarrassed me in front of all my friends.
It's okay, honey.
Next time you see it, it's liable to be in the burn pile. But we did what we could for y'all. Next week, you're not going to see no tractor, lawnmower, nothing like that.
No grass cut.
I won't put you through that again. Hopefully we'll have some parts for one of these trucks around here, either Ken's 61 Ford or Sam's 54 Willys pickup. One or the other. We're having trouble getting parts, is what I'm trying to say. But if you hung in this long, God bless you. This is a horrible video, and
I'd hate to even ask to please share, like, and subscribe, but
yeah. It's kind of protocol at this point, guys. If you would have mercy on a pair of idiots that just hacked out the worst video of their YouTube career, if you can find it in your heart to like, share, and subscribe, we'd appreciate it.
the next one might be better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Chevelle probably wouldn't, because she doesn't appreciate anything, but we sure would. Thanks, everybody.